I have put a sticker of TDH on your back. I'll carry it.
Thank you. So it's day 2 over here at Generation Speed. We're at our Skoda Experience Zone. We have all the VRSs looking pretty. They just got clean. But I think so let's get out of the stall today and check out the other activities which are happening and maybe visit someone from Power Drift or Evo or something. So let's check it out.
Right now, and be part of the JCB Games here at Generation Speed. Just don't wait for everybody. Yogesh, come on, do it next year. Who's next? I'd like to introduce the next duo, Bhavneet and Soham. They are part of Drivers Hub, the driving force behind India's tuning revolution. Guys, come on up.
You can check us out on YouTube, The Drivers Hub. You can check us out on Instagram, The Drivers Hub, and we have our own website, thedrivershub.com. You can also check out cars for yourself on TDH Classifieds, and you can also get some news on motorsports on TDH Motorsports.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much for being part of this, and thank you for supporting us with your content, with your family, because it's only guys like you that kind of invigorates festivals like this. So once again, a big thank you to you, and please, I'd like you to stay back for a big family photo with the other curators.
So the first activity that we're going to be doing for today is the Autolog Ranch. They have some crazy looking dirt carts, whatever you call them. They look absolutely rad. So me and Bhavneet are going to go on the track with them, probably race each other. I hope we don't do something stupid. Mukul is a good friend. No, absolutely not.
Be safe, keep a distance.
Yeah. But yeah, I think so. Let's sit in the carts and do something crazy.
Yeah, forget keeping a distance.
Your mic is not on.
This will catch me. Cool. I'm faster than it.
Hurricane absolutely blazing down the night. Go!
We are vlogging as well. Acha. How's your lineup going? Yes, vlogception. You guys are finally making it. Some lens making love happening. Yeah. So he just decided to come and check you guys out.
What's your favorite?
By far and wide. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
We have been seeing you
Close second, huh?
The Gallardo. Shit.
Close second. Close third, the Evo. These old cars and all.
Instagram.
And I was like, bro, if I crash.
Crazy. What have you been up to?
Are you checking?
Bunch of things, dude, a bunch of things.
Like,
Doing the Shift episode, working
Exposed on the
what
drivers,
episode?
huh?
Holy Shift,
Yes.
Holy Shift.
Holy shit.
So,
Oh,
how's
it's
everything?
coming back. Crazy, crazy.
I know.
Oh, sick.
I'm ready to copy you.
3D printing it.
How many
Oh,
did you get?
sick.
What?
Expulse.
So I've been caught.
We're doing that. We've got a couple of other series in the making. We've got
It
a
looks
series
good
that
though.
we're doing for Hotstar.
No, it looks nice like that also.
Bunch of things.
Busy man, busy man.
So I'm here with a man that needs no introduction at all. Rohan Albal. He started Power Drift and he's a man that we all look up to, especially TDH, because we are all passionate and he is the one who started showing passion to the entire country. And thank you so much, sir.
Oh my God.
I can't believe that you are humble enough for us to have you.
At Generation Speed, the first thing, don't call me sir, and that's a very flattering introduction. Perhaps one that is going to make me smile forever. But thank you for having me.
Because honestly, when we started, when we got close to you guys were nothing but helpful.
Right,
So
okay.
I can't be nothing but grateful to you guys. So
That's how
thank
the
you so much.
fraternity is, right?
Thank you so much for always just being very helpful to us, and can't wait to, of course, work together soon.
We
Hopefully.
should, collab with
Let's do
Drivers
something
Hub.
together, yeah.
The youngest talented team out of Pune is these folks, the Drivers Hub. And of course, they have a new intern now that will be joining them. That's him, Mr. Ridan. And yeah, passion runs deep, it runs in the blood. That's why we are at Generation Speed.
Lovely. Thank you so much, sir.
Cheers, buddy. Cheers.
I have put a sticker of TDH on your back.
I'll carry it.
Thank you.
So just across the road we have B Chow. As usual, he's doing all of the cool celebrity stuff that he does. So I don't really want to interrupt him, but it, whatever. Let's just go and slap a sticker on him. What's up? How are you?
All good, bro. All good.
Did you eat anything?
Yeah.
What? Is this shit working?
This is what you're filming.
Yeah.
For your blog.
Yeah. Come to the stall later. You want to keep it or should I remove it?
Hi guys, I'm here with Ro, and he's a musician. Something that we don't really get to see a lot. So I'm going to ask him a question. Let's turn around.
Okay.
Show the back to the camera. Which is your favorite VRS?
I like the NS VRS the most.
Of course,
Because,
Project VRS.
Because it's the NS VRS. But also because I know the tuning that's been done to it. I don't know much of it. But the old Octavia looks freaking sick, man. This is
Yeah.
damn cool.
So I'm here with Professor D Piston. He is pretty much like us. He makes car content on tuner stuff, and he does a pretty good job. So I'm gonna ask him, what is your favorite VRS at the stall? Look at the VRSs.
The 3 generation of the VRS and a one single place. I mean, you guys definitely made every VRS fan's dream come true. That's for sure. So I personally own Mark 1 VRS. So I'm gonna be biased and I'll say that I love Mark 1 VRS.
Oh, that's
my favorite. Yeah.
Okay, now I need to be honest with you.
Yeah.
I've put a sticker of TDH on the back of your t-shirt.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you?
Turn around. I love this. Dude, this game, we need to do it in every event. Look at that.
You guys did. Oh my god. The same thing.
What tribute do you have, and what is that thing that people can watch and find out? We're going to play it as you tell us what it is.
So, I don't know if you can hear me, but it's the end of Generation Speed and Generations of VRS display. Thank you so much to everybody who made this possible, especially Skoda. It has been a proper pinch me moment for us TDH to do something with Skoda like this. And of course, the Mark 4.5 VRS. So, what are your thoughts?
I think we should thank all of the other people, Mechanics Automotive, N Square Autotech, all of the crazy owners who sent their cars, Omkar Sonavne who had the Mark 1, Sahil Tyagi who gave this crazy carbon fiber car, Bijo who owns India's fastest stock block car, Tanay has his car, Niranjan from Auto Desir, and Dishan who gave the 2-liter swap car, and Padvez who gave the Laura VRS. So a shout out to everyone. It's been an incredible event. I think we had a lot of fun. Everyone from the team had a lot of fun, and I hope Generation Speed happens next year as well.
Yeah, it was lovely.
Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys loved the content. We'll catch you in the next one.